Hey guys, so update 1.5 contains the A star pathfinding. That's the main key update, as well as some other things. So the grid generator, there's this new field grid quad size. This basically allows you to simplify the entire grid generator into individual grid square quadrants. So there's 10 grid squares per quadrant. Initially, I was going to use this to simplify the search area for the pathfinding. However, this wasn't producing the desired results I was hoping it would. However, I still left this feature in because I believe will come in handy in the future for if I need to search through a certain area. It's better to search through maybe the quadrant instead of and adjacent quadrants for that matter, instead of the entire grid generator. And that's about it for the grid generator. I suppose code-wise, the grid generator accesses the pathfinder. So in the main camera, there's this grid gen field that takes in the grid generator, and this is what is used to control or send the pathfinding calculation to occur for either the control object, NPC object, or creature object. And yeah, just drag in the grid generator here. And the grid renderer, this draws the calculated paths when it's activated. So I guess it's more the grid renderer is more just a debug feature. Something else I've also changed was the selected indicator. I gave this the ignore gridcast, so this ignore layer mask field. This is basically so it ignores a layer that is inputted here for when it's raycasting. So the grid generator and the pathfinding. So basically, when this is activated, you can see the path, and yeah, that's pretty much the only real update here in this update. But it's nice though. It really is nice. Something else that I also changed was I disabled the collision. There's still the trigger collision, but these objects will just go through each other. There's also not formations yet, so that'll get rid of the see if I go in the same place. They're colliding right now. That's something that we don't really want. So the formations will deal with that. So that will be the next update. And let's see. I also added a bunch of comments to the code, and this allowed me to create a really nice documentation page using Doxygen. Some of you probably heard of that. It's just a documentation generator, but this is where it's located at my website. There you go. And yeah, it's pretty much just the README files here, and it also has a summary of all the classes, which is really amazing. So you can like check out all the public fields and methods and all that good stuff. Should be handy for sure. So you guys should let me know if you wanted the private fields to be shown as well. I was a bit hesitant showing the private methods because it just seems insecure, I guess. But those are commented as well in the code. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this update. I sure do. And thanks again, you guys.